Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to study the Savage principle of finding or making decisions under conditions of uncertainty. We have an illustration in which there are 6 possible actions that can be taken by a company or by an individual, and there are 6 possible future events that might take place in future. And as we are studying the situation of uncertainty, it means we don't know the probabilities of these events or the likelihood with which they can happen. So we have no information about that. In earlier videos, the principles that we have studied were based on either profits given in the payoffs or based on the costs given in the payoffs. So basically they selected the optimal strategies on the basis of the costs or profits given in the payoff matrix. But in Savage principle, neither we use the profits nor we use the costs. Instead of them, we use the regrets or opportunity loss to calculate the optimal strategy. So with this illustration in which we have 6 actions and 6 events, and the payoff matrix shows the regrets or opportunity loss. So what would be the procedure of calculating the optimal strategy in this case or in this situation? Step 1, derive regret matrix from payoff matrix. So before starting the procedure, we should look carefully at the given illustration, and we should identify that the payoffs of the matrix represents profits, costs or regrets or opportunity loss. If the payoff matrix shows the profits given in the table, then what we need to do first, we need to derive the regret matrix or regret table from payoff matrix. And what would be the procedure of adopting that or converting the payoff matrix into regret matrix? We have studied in lecture 1 of this series. I am repeating here. To convert the payoff matrix into regret matrix, what we need to do? Select highest value in each row. Like in first row, the highest value is 360, and reduce every element of this row from the highest value. So 360 minus 360 is 0, 360 minus 350, 310, that is equal to 50. So in this way, we can calculate the payoff or regret matrix for first row. Similarly, we need to apply this operation on all the rows. Select the maximum value in second row, it is 380. Reduce every element of this row from 380, and similarly apply this operation on each row of this matrix. In this way, we can convert the payoff matrix into regret matrix. After converting, and for this particular video, we assume that this table shows the regret matrix of different combinations of actions and events. So these are regrets already given here. If the regrets are not given in the table, then what you need to do, first convert the payoff matrix into regret matrix. After converting it, what would be the second step? Determine the maximum regret value corresponding to each strategy. So corresponding to each strategy, we need to determine the maximum regret value. So in first case, for strategy 1, the maximum regret value or the maximum value is 360. For action 2 or strategy 2, the maximum regret value is 380. For third action it is 400. For fourth action it is 420. For fifth action it is 440, and for last one it is 460. So by following step 2, we need to determine the maximum regret value for each strategy or each action. Now in step 3, what we need to do, among these maximum regrets, select the minimum one. Select the minimum one. So the minimum is 360 out of these maximum regrets. So according to this principle or Savage principle, the optimal strategy for company would be A1. If you notice it carefully, or if you not look at it carefully, that we have applied basically the minimax approach. First, we have selected the maximum values for each strategy. Then what? Then we calculated the minimum one. That is minimum out of the maximum values. So, in other words, we can say that we have applied the minimax approach. But remember that minimax approach applied on payoff matrix, or which shows the profits, and minimax approach applied on the matrix which shows the regrets, the answer cannot be similar. So it is not the rule that the minimax, the outcome of minimax applied on regret table would be equal to the outcomes of minimax applied on profits table or payoff matrix. So it is. So in this way we can say that Savage principle is nothing but simply we need to calculate the regrets or opportunity loss for every combination of events and actions, and then we need to select the maximum regret value and maximum regret value corresponding to each strategy, and then we simply need to select the minimum out of the maximum values, that is 360. So in this way we can calculate or we can find the optimal strategy for company A. Thank you.